So they didn't answer. We're just trying to help some people out today. Let's see, where could we find, there's a lot of leaves right there. Look at this over here. Maybe this one. Yeah.
It's a little bit. Or right here.
Yeah? Okay, let's do this one.
Right here, over here. Hi. Good morning.
We're just wondering if we could pick up your yard today for free.
Go for it.
We got our first one, guys.
Go for it.
Sweet, thanks. Well, we're gonna get to it.
All right.
It's broken?
Yeah, just put the zip tie in. That's why you always gotta have two of everything. Sweet.
Yep.
We got gas, we got air protection. We're ready to blow. Well, we got all the leaves picked up. Do you want to do any more?
Yeah, that was this house.
Oh,
House.
you want to do that one?
Yeah.
Oh, the lights are off now. Maybe they're awake.
Yeah, this is that one in the front.
Uh-huh.
Over there in the front is about the leaf. Blow, pick it up.
Yeah, let's pick it up.
Yeah.
Woo-wee! Good morning.
Hello.
I'm just wondering if we could blow your front yard for free.
Man, I appreciate that.
Yeah. You know,
Yeah.
just trying to spread some love.
All right, all right. Man, I really appreciate that.
All right. Well, I guess if you could move the cars, that would help us get started,
Okay.
and we'll get working. One of my neighbor's dads, he's kindly offered to help us because we told him about what we're doing today, and he just offered his time on New Year's Eve to help us out.
Yep, what these guys are doing is a good deed.
Welcome to your new yard.
Man, that's what's up, fellas.
Yeah, we just wanted to, bring in the new year with something good and
Man, I truly appreciate this.
spread some love. So,
Man, thank you.
yeah,
Thank you so much.
he helped out too.
All right. Hey, thank you.
You betcha.
All right. Man, you guys have a happy new year.
Yeah,
bet.
Happy New Year.
Man, thank you.
Definitely.
Hi.
Ay, ¿qué pasó?
Venimos a recogerle su hoja gratis.
Oh, muchas gracias. Bueno, thank you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
of course. De nada.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, Francisco.
It's everybody is happy.
Yeah, how do you feel?
It's me happy.
Yeah, me too. Me too. It feels good, huh?
Yeah, I'm happy.
I love helping people.
Yeah. I just blow everything right here.
Ah.
Maybe one pause over there.
Uh-huh.
Moving the camera over there. Continue in the corner.
Okay. Sounds good.